So hello guys, it's me once again, Michael Bernales of PH Property by the MCI Home. So, kumusta kayo guys? I hope you're well and good. So right now, we're here at the Allegra Garden Place, Amina Building. So, nandito tayo sa isang building ni Amina, which is, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang 2-bedroom unit na Korean style na cut. So, which is, nandito tayo sa second floor and we're here at the atrium level. So, makikita naman natin dito, we have the plant boxes and the benches. And ito guys, papakita ko sa inyo yung isang 60 square meters na Korean cut. So tara. So ito guys, nandito tayo sa room unit 2020, 220 what I mean. And once we have entered here, so makikita natin ngayon dito yung itsura niya. So this is guys, the upgraded model. So meaning naka-dress up siya. So once we enter dito sa side na to, so, nandito ang ating kitchen. So, upon turnover, naka-granite countertop finish siya with kitchen sink. And we have the bar counter. And also, yung kitchen cabinets natin are included. So, soft close system na siya guys. And we have the provision for the exhaust. So, ito guys, hindi siya kasama yung range hood. Kasi, tayo mismo mag-provide nito. Then, for this one, ayan, makikita naman natin gaano kaluwag yung space na meron tayo dito. And here guys, so this is the bedroom 2. So, makikita naman natin dito kung ano yung inspiration na pwede natin magawa. Ayan, makikita naman natin dito, single bed. Kasya dito, and nandito yung magiging cabinets natin and yung working area natin, yung working table. So, here, nandito yung ating toilet and bath. So, upon turnover, kasama tong granite countertop finish. However, this is not included kasi tayo na magpapagawa rin nito. And also this one. So, ang kasama is lavatory, toilet bowl, and the shower set. So, naka-rain shower na siya. Then, ito guys, hindi siya kasama. Papakabit pa natin siya. And, sa mga typical natin na 2-bedroom guys, we have the provision for the washing machine area. So, ito yung washing machine area natin. Ayan. And, on this side, dito natin ilalagay yung dining set natin. So, 4 packs, yan. Kasyang-kasya dyan. So, napakaganda nung interior na dinesign dito. Plus, nandito ang ating living area. So, yung living area natin guys, napakaluwag. So, makikita naman natin dito na ang daming decorations na nilagay, which is maluwag pa rin siya. And on this area, so guys, I love this bedroom. Ang laki ng window. Ang luwag ng niya, ang luwag ng dating niya. Plus queen size bed. And yung cabinet natin nandito, and meron tayong working table here, or yung para kay sa misis natin na lalagyan ng mga makeups nila nandyan. And ito guys, nandito ang ating balcony. So ang balcony natin, napaka-spacious. So makikita natin dito na naka-glass na siya. Naka-glass panel na siya yung balcony. And we have to see the view of the amenities. So, grabe guys, ang ganda ng view na meron tayo dito. So, ito guys, this is a 2-bedroom, 60 square meters, Korean cut. So, meron pa tayong mga available units na meron dito sa Allegra Garden Place. So, if you have any questions about this, and if you want to place a reservation, so pwede rin tayo mag-set ng site tripping or Zoom meeting. And these are my contact details. So, it's Mike PH Property by the MCI Homes. So, yun guys. Please do subscribe. Please do inquire. It's free. And pwede ko pa kayong tulungan kung paano kayo makaka-reserve ng unit. So maraming salamat guys, and have a great day ahead, and God bless.